Still on the Osun crisis, former chairman, Nigerian Bar Association Section on Public Interest and Development Law, NBA Spidel Monday Obani, has advised judiciary workers against involvement in state politics. Speaking on TV360's flagship program, Obani and civil society activist Ayo Ologun agreed that the case of allegations of misconduct against the state chief judge, Justice Oyebola Ojo, should be left for the National Judicial Council, NJC, to handle.
The National Judicial Council that possesses the virus to exercise disciplinary measures against any judge, against any sitting judge, especially that of the chief judge. So I don't know what the matter is. If there is any misconduct whatsoever, or any fraudulent act, or any criminal act by the chief judge of the state, the proper thing is to ensure that the NJC is aware of that complaint, and they will investigate. You can't discipline. You can't listen. That has been the decision of the several decisions we have in the court, where it is stated that NJC must be made informed by whoever is complaining against the office of the chief judge. And the reason why this is the process is to not allow a situation where a judge should be intimidated, or where a judge will lose that independence that is very critical in administration of justice. That independence must be guaranteed at every point in time. So where the executive begin to interfere with another arm of government by way of suspension or intimidation, it will really erode the confidence that people have on the judicial sector. And so I think that the proper thing would have been for NJC to be informed of any misconduct on the part of the chief judge. But to be fair to the governor, I think he has resigned that particular decision of suspending the chief judge and have recalled it. But what I don't understand is the role of the union at this juncture, locking the woman out and trying to say that the woman cannot have access to her office. So I don't understand what is the position with regards to the union. If there is any complaint against the woman by the union, I also believe there are procedural measures, or method in order to redress some level of grievance or injustice. The way they are going about it, blocking her and trying to attack her, clearly criminal, and then very, very primitive, and it's something that cannot be recommended. So they don't get commendation for doing this.
The national body of the Judicial Workers Union from Abuja are not in support of the actions of protest and picketing being carried out by the state branch of JUSUN, and that is where the intricacies are. Why is the JUSUN, that's the Judicial Workers Union in Osun, why are they allowing themselves to be used to settle what is obviously political? I'm not saying that there are no issues. I'm not saying that judicial workers do not have grant for protest. I'm not saying there will have been one or two infractions against them by the CJ or or any other person for that matter. But the question would be, why this time? Why have they not cried out before now? Why are they allowing their voice to be added to the political hullabaloo that is happening within the judiciary at this time? It's quite unfortunate when unionists or those who are supposed to hold forth for the interest of their workers begins to allow themselves to be used as tools in the hand of politicians. It's unfortunate, and that is the unfortunate reality that we are facing within the judiciary in Osun State at this moment.